Did you know that wireless energy existed in the 1800s? It is not just a modern marvel, but rather an ancient invention. All these photos show a time when energy flowed freely, unhindered by wires or limitations, a world powered by the ether. The ether is a universal medium through which energy can travel. But here is where it gets dark. The ether was erased from reality. Not only was it erased from textbooks, but it was also replaced by theories that ensured our dependency on oil and finite resources. In the 1800s, inventors and scientists such as Nikola Tesla were tapping into this inexhaustible energy source. Tesla demonstrated how energy could be harnessed directly from the environment, but he was abruptly shut down. He was shut down by a man named J.P. Morgan. Free energy threatened the economic stranglehold of the energy elites. But this story doesn't end there. Structures around the world, many from Tartaria, were not just places of worship, but advanced energy devices. Their spires and domes were designed to channel and distribute this energy. Do you think we will ever gain access to the ether again? Did you know that wireless